Hello students, this is your first standard EVS book. The name of book is Go Green Forever, and this is your first lesson about me. Hello, you all are fine. I hope you all are enjoying this time with your family. Now you all are in first standard. This time your session is started in different way due to coronavirus. In class 1 you will have some new subjects, from which environmental studies also one. Environmental studies is also known as EVS.
I suppose कर दिया ऐसी बात है.
In this lesson, students will know about themselves. They will also learn about their body parts and sense organ. Here in this picture you are looking a baby picture. This is forehead, this is eyes, and this is ear. One nose is also mouth, eyebrow, chest, arms, hands. All these body parts you are looking very well. Okay, but inside this body some parts also inside, and some systems is also there, but you are not able to see. Why? You know, because some body parts we are able to see, means these body parts are outside our body and some are inside. In this lesson we will learn about external and internal body parts. The body parts that you cannot see are called internal body parts, just like heart and lungs. And some body parts you are able to see. These are external body parts. Okay, students? Each of us is special. We are having our identity with our name. Yes, we all of us having a name. You having one name and me also having one name. My name is Rajni, and I think you all are having good names. Okay? All of us are having different body parts. Already I told you, some body parts we are able to see and some are we are not able to see. Okay, all of us we are having different body parts, external body parts and internal body parts. The body parts that you can see are called external body parts. Example, eyes, nose, mouth, hair. The body parts that you cannot see are called internal body parts. Example, heart, lungs. Okay, tell me, outside you see sun is there. Okay, mama is preparing some nice food for you. How you know this is good? Because smelling is there. Okay, then our nose is smelling for us. And then you know sometime your friends are pinching on your hand, then you know, ouch. Okay, this is the feeling of you feel from our skin. Now, sense organs are the parts of our body that help us to know about the things around us. Okay, eyes. Now you reading this lesson with our eyes now, and you hear my voice with our ears. Okay, and tongue. Sometime mama gives you cool ice cream, then how you know this is cool? With your tongue. And tasty also na? Okay. Skin and these are our sense organs. With eyes we see, with ear we hear, and nose we smell, and tongue we taste, and skin give us knowledge of sense of feeling, hot, cold, like this.
External organs. The organs of the body that you can see are called external organs. Each organ of our body does a special job called its function. Sense organs. You have learnt in class 1 about the 5 sense organs. The 2 eyes help you to see. We move our eyelids to open and close our eyes. The 2
ears
help us to hear different sounds. The
nose
helps us to smell. It also helps us to breathe. The
tongue
helps us to taste. The 4 types of taste are sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. The
skin
covers our entire body. It helps us to feel hard, soft, smooth, and rough things. Internal organs. There are some body organs that are present inside our body. They are called internal organs. We cannot see them from the outside. Brain. The brain is present inside our head. It controls all our body functions. It helps us to think, learn, and remember. Heart. The heart lies on the left side of our chest. It pumps blood to all parts of our body. Lungs. Our lungs are located inside the chest. They are like 2 small balloons. They help us to breathe. When we breathe in, the air gets filled in the lungs. When we breathe out, the air goes out of the lungs. Stomach. The stomach is located in the body just above where you wear your belt. It digests the food that we eat every day.
Okay, now exercise time. Some question answer for you, and I am giving you answers also. First question, what are our sense organ? Number one question is, what are our sense organs? The parts of our body that help us to know about the things around us. Okay, already I told you we have 5 sense organ: our eyes, our ear, our nose, our tongue, and our skin is the sense organs, and they help us to know so many work and things. Number 2 question, what are external body parts? You know, you remember these answer? Number 2 answer is the body parts that you can see. Okay, we are able to see with our eyes are called external body parts. Give me the answer. One is eyes, our hand, our ears, and our hairs are external body parts. Next question for you. Which sense organ helps you to breathe? Breathe means, who will give the answer? Okay, then I will tell you the answer. Nose. Nose help us to breathe. Okay, and question 4th, which sense organ helps you to speak? Tongue. Tongue having so many work. One is taste and another is speaking. We speak with the help of tongue. When tongue is moved inside the mouth, our sound will become outside. Okay, then 5th question, name 2 things that we can do with our hands. Only 2 things, but you know we do lots of work with our hands. One is eating and another is clapping. I think you do lots of work with our hands now. Yes. Now I am giving you some homework. Number 1 worksheet. In beginning of this lesson I told you na our name, our identity. Then you will fill these fill up with the help of this question. Number 1, my name is. Here you will write your name. You will fill your name. Okay. Number 2, I study in class. Now you all are in 1st standard. Remember, you not in UKG. Now you are in 1st standard. Okay. Number 3, my father's name. You will write here your father's name. Okay. Number 4, my mother's name. You will write your mother's name. Your address. Where are you living with your family? Okay. And number 6, my telephone number. Here you will write your parents' mobile number. Okay, students? Very good. Now, you like some things very much and you don't like some things now. Then here you likes only the good, which you like most. Number 1, food. You like whatever you like to food. Okay, you will write. Number 2, game. Now you all are inside the room now. You don't go outside. So you will write here some good games like Ludo, Carom, whatever you like. You will write here. Number 3, color. I think you all are like so many colors. So you like most 1 or 2. You will write here. Animal. I think you all are having pet at your home. If you don't have no problem, you will write your favorite animal name. Okay? And now one more exercise for you. Number 1, which part of your body helps you to read? In this question, you will write the answer which body part helps you to read. Okay? Okay. Number 2, how many thumbs do you have? Remember, thumbs, not the hand. Okay? Number 3, do you have 10 or 20 toes in all? You know, I think you know very well what are the toes. Finger of the feet is called toes. Then you write the correct answer. Okay? Number 4, which sense organ helps you to taste? Earlier I told you very well. Okay? I think you got the answer. Number 5, how many eyes do you have? Remember, eyes. How many eyes do you have? Okay? All questions are very easy. I think you've done very well. Okay? And one more thing, class, you will make one 4-line English copy for EVS, and you will cover your copy very neatly and very tightly. Okay?